Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome you all to a new video of M-Step. Myself Sana Kareem of English Department. Let the peace of Almighty be upon us. When we observe nature very closely, there are many things we can learn. Nature teaches us the best lessons. Birds are one among the most amazing creations of God. There are many things to learn from them. We all know that eagle is considered as the king of the sky. So, don't be a parrot in life. A parrot talks way too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the willpower to touch the sky. Here are some mentalities we can learn from an eagle. The first one, eagles fly alone at high altitudes. Eagles doesn't fly with sparrows and ravens and other small birds, which means stay away from narrow-minded people, those that bring you down. Eagles fly with eagles. There's a say that goes like this: people you hung around will eventually determine the person you become. So keep good company. The second one, eagles have a vision. They have the ability to focus on something as far as 5 kilometers. No matter the obstacles, eagles will not move the focus from its prey until he grabs it. So, have a vision and remain focused in your life. No matter what challenges you may face, don't give up and you will succeed. The third one, eagles are fearless. An eagle will never surrender to the size and strength of its prey. It will always give a fight to win its prey or regain its territory, which means no mighty size or big your problems are, don't give up, face it. Successful people are fearless. They face problems head on. The fourth one, eagles are tenacious. Eagles love storm. When clouds gather, eagles get excited. The eagles use the storm wind to lift themselves higher. Once it finds the wind of the storm, to lift itself above the clouds. This gives the eagles an opportunity to glide and rest its wings. All the other birds hide in the branches, leaves of other tree. Achievers are not afraid of challenges. Rather, they relish them and use them profitably. Next one. Eagles never eat dead things. In other words, eagles does not scavenge. It eats meat from the prey it kills itself. Do not rely on your past success. Keep looking for new frontiers to conquer. Leave your past where it belongs, in the past. So, these are the mentalities we should opt from an eagle. Thank you.